If you are looking for a professional 3-finger HUD, then you have chosen the right video to arrange this HUD and settings. Much attention has been paid to the professional movement. If you use the gyroscope with these settings, you will become an invincible player. The index finger is used to shoot and change weapons in the E movement. The right thumb is used for aiming, dolphin dive, and slide, which helps you to use the gyroscope in your movements. And the settings that I will tell in the rest of the video will take you higher in playstyle level. I arranged the settings for the video, and the non-important items do not have a special place. This HUD must be used with a good sensitivity, and I will teach it in the next videos. Try to change the settings as seen in the video. Turn off auto mantle. Set the parachute release to manual mode. Set virtual stick to always sprint mode. The important setting is to turn on these two options for rotation when using the aiming and shooting buttons, and when you put it on the right side of the screen, you can press the button and rotate the screen at the same time. Set the change stance mode to split so that the prone and crouch buttons are separated, and turn off the fixed joystick button. You can use a simpler HUD and apply the changes that I give, or similar, of course, in the professional HUD. You can move the shooting button in adds mode to the side of the screen. This change will greatly help your speed. I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment.